supporting your child to make decisions about their education. From GCSE choices to post-16 choices and higher education choices, young people have to make lots of decisions about their education, which can be just as confusing for parents. That's why we've put together some top tips to make the process that little bit easier. 1. Start early. Encourage open conversations about your child's future as early as possible. But don't just focus on higher education. Talk about their favourite subjects, GCSE options, preferred ways of learning and career ideas too. 2. Encourage open-mindedness. With so many higher education options available, try to encourage your child to think outside the box and consider course types and subjects they hadn't previously thought of. 3. Attend open days. Universities and colleges hold open events throughout the year. Use these to speak to staff about courses and to speak to current students about their own experiences. They're a great way for you to get a feel for the place your child might study at and to ask any questions you may have. 4. Speak with school and college staff. Your child's teachers can advise you on their progress and attainment in their current subjects and recommend ways you can support them to do their best. They may also be able to discuss university and college entry requirements, as well as which options could be suitable for your child. 5. Encourage extracurricular activities. They can give your child great life skills and open their eyes to different educational career paths. They also look great on applications. Some universities and colleges offer free summer schools, and if your child gets the opportunity to attend one of these, we recommend you encourage them to do so. For more information about higher education, visit www.futureme.ac.uk.